About our project, what is E-Merse? E-Merse is a project stems from the realization of importance in understanding various languages in education as well as everyday lives. The main things of our project is that our project caters on communication issues involving the communities alike, as Malaysia, though multicultural, have an evident language barrier between its different race civilians. Therefore, it is a must for us as Malaysian to cope with this issue. Therefore, through this innovation, our main objective is to build a better multicultural environment through the integration of technology.
Our main aim for this project firstly is to utilize technology in education. In achieving that, we are trying to implement a smart device that has the function to translate foreign text through the lens that is embedded on our eyes. The reason behind this idea simply based on a study that was made on the impact of technology towards education. The research done by the Best Evidence Encyclopedia at 2011, the findings of this study, which are consistent with other evaluation of comparable focus, imply that educational technology has a positive effect, albeit tiny effect when compared to traditional approaches. Then our aim is to reduce the language barrier that has been bugging our society for too long. Lastly, through this innovation, we are trying to introduce the concept of immersive learning experience to students. In order to do so, our design is conceptually inspired by virtual reality (VR) glasses design. The reason why we are implementing this is due to research that was conducted in India by comparing immersive virtual reality (VR) and non-immersive skill training method on evaluating the knowledge, retention and recall capabilities. Stated that the experimental group, the VR user which mean of 13.96, performed higher in the delay evaluation test on the second day as compared to the control group whose mean was 10.33. This can be the evidence that our aim can be achieved by implementing this project.
For our design, the frame of our glasses is inspired by the concept of virtual reality. This is due to we want the concept of immersive learning experience to be felt by the user. We also equipped along with our design a hand gesture glove, where it detects the motion of our hand and sends a signal to the glasses to select the menu of our features. For the features, these will be explained in more detail later on. To better understand the concept of our project, we will bring you along with our timeline of the project. Before proceeding with our final design, we have proposed the design of a smart glasses, where the early concept of our glasses is called e-glasses. These glasses mainly function for text translation. As we further progress, we decided to add on to our main concept with a slight touch of augmented reality (AR) and virtual reality (VR) concept. This concept is mainly about immersive learning experience that we are trying to innovate into our education system. Not only that, this actual design is the modification of design for component purposes. Hence, it is built only for prototype testing. Moving along, we have reached our final destination with our final design. At this phase, we have 3D printed and assembled all the components and frame of the design.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad FITRI bin ROPANDI and I will be explaining on the technicalities of the features available in our E-Merse device. First, on the graphical user interface. Basically, the user will use the hand gesture glove equipped with Bluetooth functionality and they will signal specific gestures. The gestures detected by the Bluetooth hand glove will be transmitted to the E-Merse device and the graphical user interface will respond accordingly, whether selecting next feature, running the feature, or exiting the window or graphical user interface corresponding to the gesture received. That's all for the graphical user interface. For our first feature, the text translation feature, when the user runs this feature, a new window will pop up displaying the video captured by the camera. On the top left, will be displayed the speed of the video on iteration per second with the languages detected. On the center will be a blue box. Here, the user will position words or sentences that they want to translate. If the text are detected, green box will be bounded on it with red small text displayed on it. Next, the text will be translated into Malay and it will be displayed at the bottom of the window. That's all for the text translation feature. On the second feature, the Dropbox upload function. Basically, when the user runs the feature, a new window will open. Again, this window will display the video captured by the camera. After 15 seconds, this video will terminate and the recent images will be saved to the E-Merse device. The saved image will then be uploaded to Dropbox, and after that, the user could open their laptop or computer, proceed to their Dropbox folder, and they will see that the images captured have already been uploaded to their Dropbox folder. That's all for the second feature of Dropbox upload function.
Therefore, through this project, we are focusing on tackling 3 sustainable goals, whereby the quality of education, where we provide an innovation to learning experience, reducing inequalities by reducing a language barrier, and lastly, to provide a more sustainable community as a whole. So this is the E-Merse classes.